In this guide, I'm going to show you how to manage sharing permissions and access in Google Drive. So let's say you've previously shared a file or given someone access in Google Drive, and now you want to revoke or change that access. I'll walk you through the steps to remove their ability to view or edit them. So first, open your Google Drive, then locate the file or the item that you wish to modify. For example, here I have a PDF file. Click on that file and click on the three dot next to it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Share. Click on Share again. Now to remove someone's access or change their permission, you need to go where it displays the current access level. You can choose to remove access or change their role to viewer only. You have the option to remove access and then select viewer. Additionally, under general access, you can change the setting from anyone with a link to restricted. Remember to click on save after making any changes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.